Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am GlamPreezy. If you're new here, I am an esthetician of about 15 plus years. I love to do skincare videos, makeup, and hair. So anything beauty, I'm all about it, girl. Today, I'm going to be showing you my updated, as of 2022, affordable skincare routine, y'all. It's been a minute. We need to get into this because I found some products. So if you want to see my new skincare routine with these not only effective products but affordable, please keep watching. Okay guys, so thank you so much for tuning into my video. I have made myself a little bit of tea here. I've lit myself a candle. Listen, I'm not gonna go off on a tangent, but I would just like to encourage y'all to take your self-care moments personally. You know what I mean? Taking your shower, doing your facial, whatever it is that you're doing, take a few minutes. Slow down, take a few minutes to love on yourself in those moments. Say some affirmations while you're washing your face, child. I mean, there are ways to incorporate it in our busy day. Make yourself some tea. Slow down. Just slow down. Just a little bit. I am here looking how I look. You know, I like to bring it to y'all raw and fresh, how it is. So I'm looking a little cray-cray. I want you to take a good look at my skin. I've got some things going on, okay, as usual. I suffer from cystic acne during that time of the month. It just is what it is. Outside of that, I have normal to oily skin. So technically I'm a combination skin, dehydrated, okay? And you know, once a month I do get some cystic breakouts underneath the skin. I've gotten a few scars lately that I don't want to be there, you know, but as you live, these things happen. So let's keep our skin healthy, hydrated, and let's just get into this. Okay, y'all, so I done popped on a little robe. I was getting a little chilly. It's actually chilly in Florida today. I don't know about that, you know? First things first, let's talk about my cleanser. I have a cleanser from the Inkey list, and this is their Fulvic Acid Brightening Cleanser. So this cleanser has something called fulvic acid. Now that's a new one for me, but I've done my research, and apparently fulvic acid neutralizes toxins, it transports nutrients into the skin cells, it helps improve cellular metabolism, it also can reduce inflammation and diminish wrinkles. And in this particular product, we're focusing on brightening of the skin. So it seems like fulvic acid is something that I need to incorporate more of into my skincare regimen. Okay, so I'm going to use this e.l.f. cleansing disc to wash off my products today. I got this from Walmart. They are less than $5, so I love them. You can throw them in the washing machine when you're done, and I just have fallen in love since I purchased these. So next up on the list, naturally we have to exfoliate. And I have for you today the Good Molecules Pineapple Exfoliating Powder. This is a powder enzyme exfoliant. This powder is formulated with fruit enzymes, vitamin C, and rice powder to soften, brighten, and gently exfoliate your skin. You can use this about 3 to 4 times a week. It's very similar to the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant or the one that Tasha makes, which is a rice polish exfoliant as well. And it is in a powder form, as you can see. So you're gonna take some warm water, and you don't want to take too much water. This is different than your cleanser in that you still want this to be a foamy paste, if you will. You want to use about a teaspoon of this powder, and you want to work it up to a nice foam. And because it is a polish, use some circular motions, you know, so that you can polish the skin. Make sure you get into those areas like in between your nostrils, underneath your nose, your chin. And don't be afraid to dampen your hand again if you need to. It just reactivates it. Just think about polishing all those imperfections away. I really love enzyme exfoliants for my skin in particular. Eczema responds, in my opinion, really well to enzymes versus AHAs or BHAs. It's a little bit more gentle, but very, very effective. So I always like to have a nice enzyme exfoliant in my routine because honey, wait till you see the glow that this gives you instantly. So I purposely let my skin dry out a little bit so that you can see. Look, I mean, I'm just saying. All right, so oh my god, look at the glow. I'm geeked. So anyway, next step is going to be toning. This is one of my favorite affordable skincare products ever. This is the Thayers facial mist. This one is the rose water and witch hazel. All of them are witch hazel based, so if you have a sensitivity to witch hazel, you can try the Ulta hydrating face mist. That's another one of my favorites. It does not have witch hazel. You need a toner. Your toner is the last step of your cleansing routine, period. So today I'm going to be using this as a spray, but you can also spray this onto a cotton pad to really get anything off. This just makes me feel like spa. It just makes me feel like full-on spa. A great tip when you are doing your skincare, please make sure that, especially when you are using products that stay on your face for the day, that your skin is damp before you apply your products. Let me run that back. Make sure your skin is damp before you apply your products that stay on your face all day. Serums, moisturizers, face oils, etc. This is going to help to carry the product deeper into the skin and make sure it's not just laying on the surface of the skin. This goes for body skin as well, which is the reason why you should be damp when you apply your body oil or lotion. Thank me later. So I'm going to apply my eye gel. Y'all, listen. I've tried to find an affordable eye gel that is as good as my fave. I'm not gonna mention it in this video because it's not affordable, okay? I'm on the hunt, as I have been for years, to find a replacement for this. I seen one from the Inkey list. It's like a caffeine type eye product. I'm going to try it out and I'll let you guys know whether it's any good. But please, if you have recommendations for an affordable eye gel, please let me know. Just let me know. Just put it down in the comments. Help the girls, okay? Because I've been searching for quite a while and I've just never found anything that, number one, can go 360 in the eye area. Secondly, that is a gel that's not oil based, because I do wear lash extensions and that's something that I'm not willing to compromise, honey, okay? And also contains caffeine, because I suffer from puffiness. As you've seen in the beginning of the video, my eyes were a lot more puffy. Anything that can reduce that, I'm with it. But help us out. Please put in the comments your favorite eye cream or gel. And we're gonna find one together, y'all. We will find an affordable eye gel before the end of this year. Next, very, very, very important. If you've watched any of my skincare videos, you know how I feel about serums. Serums are the core of your skincare regimen. They are what drives your results. All of the things together are going to help you get results, but your serum is like your multivitamin, okay? It's gonna be a concentrated product that is hopefully result oriented towards what you're looking for. So you pick what you want your serum to do, and that is going to be the core of your regimen. Today, I have two different serums that I want to show you guys because I've been alternating between both of these. And excuse me, my face getting dry again. That's right. One of them is my ride or die. Since my last affordable skincare video, I've discovered some things, y'all. I could never go without this serum, ever. And I know I say that a lot, but I can't. The brand is called The Ordinary, and this is the Niacinamide 10% with Zinc. Now, they describe this product as being a high-strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. Zinc heals the skin. Zinc is fantastic, just like it does for the body. It's wonderful if you are acne prone. Do you hear me? If you are blemish prone, if you have acne, niacinamide and zinc are a 1-2 knockout. The niacinamide, though, it does so many things. I'm not gonna get on a tangent. I'm not gonna go on a tangent. I'm just gonna list on the screen here a couple of things that it does, but it's bomb. It's bomb. And it's not just for oily acneic skin types. Anybody can use this, okay? They've also put hyaluronic acid in this formula. Very good for hydration. The niacinamide brightens an even skin tone, as well as it helps to keep your pores nice and refined. So I've been using this daily. I swear by these products. Today, for the purpose of the video, I'm going to layer both serums, but I've been alternating one in the day, one at night. This is just the niacinamide serum. Again, glowing. Everything is just enhancing that hydration and that glow. Yes, I love to see it. This is the 15% vitamin C and EGF serum from the Inkey list. I'm gonna go in with 2 pumps of this. I like to OD it with this because I really, really love this serum. I also really love vitamin C, and if you've watched any of my other videos, I'm gonna link it here. I have talked about vitamin C and excess and how all brown girls need a good vitamin C product in their regimen. No exceptions. I don't want to hear it. I actually put this on my lips as well. And so while this dries down, I'm going to tell you a little bit about what this product does. So obviously it has vitamin C in it. It's antioxidant. It helps with making the skin look more youthful, more radiant, brighter, more even skin. It does actually help with acne if you're struggling with it. Vitamin C is actually very good for that. It detoxifies the skin, but mainly what I'm using it for is to even out my pigmentation. If you have a lot of melanin, you've got a lot of pigment, and sometimes it goes places we don't want it to go. So we want to make sure we control that with a vitamin C product. EGF, what the hell is that? Epidermal growth factor. Why do you need that in a product? Number one, it speeds up skin healing and skin cell turnover, period. That really should be the only reason, but let's get into more about what it does. It also reduces the appearance of wrinkles, it improves hydration in the skin cells, and it helps prevent unwanted pigment. And as I'm sitting here talking and this is absorbing into my skin, I just want you to look. I mean, this ain't magic, y'all. Like, look how much brighter and more even my skin is already. Like, I just put that on. I just put it on. Look at my skin. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the monitor because look at my skin. Look at my skin. Look at the beginning of this video and look at my skin right now. Thank me later. That's all I can say. So let's get into the next product before I go on and on a tangent. If you are new here, know that I do nice 10-step routines, but they're easy. So, you know, if this is a bit much for you, start slow. Don't just go out and buy a bunch of products and throw them on your face. Add things 1 or 2 at a time, especially because if you do react, then you can tell which product is doing what. The next product I'm using is by a brand called Acne Free, and it is called the Terminator 10% benzoyl peroxide acne treatment. I use this to spot treat, especially in times when I start having breakouts. I'm just gonna tap that on. This I use in place of like a salicylic acid treatment. My skin and salicylic just do not go well together. They don't like each other. It helps to dry your breakout out. It helps to reduce inflammation. It helps to kill bacteria, and it also helps to brighten the area. Next up, we got 3 products left, but I promise it's super simple. Again, Thayers. If y'all want to sponsor a video, holler at your girl. Just putting all the things in the universe, right? I'm going to go ahead in with my moisturizer, and it's no secret, it's gonna be the Inkey list. And today I have the Omega Water Cream from them. It helps to boost hydration in the skin. If you're looking for a basic moisturizer, one that doesn't add too much ingredients into your regimen, this is it. Just because I use so many different things, I like to keep my moisturizer moisturizing. So, especially while your skin is damp, this is going to go in very deeply. None of this stuff is sitting on top of my face. None of it feels heavy. Please understand, if you apply your products in the right manner, then you should not be experiencing anything heavy, gooey, oily, none of that. I'm going to go in once again with the Thayers mist, and I would like to note, if I wasn't talking and explaining all these products and recording a video all at the same time, I wouldn't have to use so much Thayers. And for this product, I really want to make sure my skin is nice and damp, because I'm going to go in and seal in all of this with the Ordinary's 100% organic cold pressed rose hip seed oil. It's not from roses, it's actually from a plant called the rose hip. It is liquid gold, and there's nobody that can tell me anything different. It is by far the most phenomenal product I think I've ever added to my skincare regimen. This product is so beautiful. I don't even know how to describe my relationship with rosehip seed oil. It not only moisturizes my skin, it brightens my skin, it evens out my scars, it firms my skin. Usually I'm a hard hitter for retinol, and I always have retinol in my skincare regimen, but I have replaced the retinol with this oil. It's that anti-aging, especially when you have an organic cold press formula. That is what you want to look for in any oil, really, but especially in the rosehip seed oil. This is such a beautiful primer for makeup. Girl, I don't want this video to be 9 years long, so let me just shut up. I've told you what you need to know, okay? Thank me later. That's all. For all of this is thank me later. The Ordinary. You want to sponsor a video? Holler at your girl. So we're going to go in with the last and final product of this affordable skincare regimen, and that's going to be lip care. I know you didn't think that I was gonna neglect my lips. I can't do that. So I'm gonna be going in with e.l.f.'s Ride or Die Lip Balm in Mighty Mint. It's very thick, very thick. When it says balm, it means balm. I mean, it's a balm. So, okay guys, so that sums up my updated 2022 affordable skincare routine. A lot of these products are game changers. I don't know how they making this stuff so effective and cheap, but keep doing it, okay? If you have any questions, please get down in my comments below. Ask me, let me know your opinion. What are some of your favorite affordable skincare products? Let's make this a community, girls. Let's help each other out. Don't forget to let me know about your favorite eye gel, because I'm still looking. And until the next one, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video.